All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're starting with the sound bar. First things first, we've got to get this back panel off. Time to grab the screwdriver and see what's hiding inside. But let's get to work and carefully take this thing apart. Okay, time to gather all the bits and pieces we might need for this project. Let's open up this drawer and see what treasures we can find. Looks like we've got some screws and other components here. Now, let's take a closer look at the inner workings of this device. We're connecting some wires here. Blue, yellow, red, a whole rainbow of connections. Attaching this cover and carefully placing the circuit board into this box. All right, let's move on to the speaker itself. We're going to carefully disassemble it, revealing the circuit board and all the wiring inside. It's like an electronic autopsy. Time to get to the heart of the matter. We're prying open the speaker casing now, revealing all its secrets. Look at all these screws scattered around. It's like a treasure hunt, but with electronics. Here we go, the final assembly. We've got the speaker frame, screws, and all sorts of little bits and bobs. And here's the battery, a purple one with red and blue wires, connecting everything up, and hopefully we'll have something working soon. What do you think? Will it work? Let me know in the comments.